Folks, I was compelled to make this video because the comment that one of the CBS anchor persons, people, whatever you want to call her, made at the conclusion of the piece, and it's because she totally missed the point, or they didn't really go into it either. They didn't go into the story is not so much about, it wasn't so much about a vinyl sounds better and why vinyl, people that listen to vinyl think it sounds better. But she's obviously totally unaware of that. Sorry. She's obviously totally unaware of that, of the reason why, and what people say about vinyl, that say why they say it sounds better than CDs, and I'm not showing how to. I'm not trying to set this up, but I might as well tell you now. It's coming up, the comments. I might as well tell you now. So this Dingbat Asian CBS person says, there's nothing like the crackle of the sound of vinyl. I guarantee you she thinks that's the only thing superior about vinyl is because it has a crackle. There she goes. It's not about the crackle, the sound of vinyl, you numbskull. That's not why people that like vinyl think that it's superior. It's because vinyl, people that listen to vinyl say it has a warmth, richness, and authenticity of the sound, a more immersive listening experience than digital formats, than CDs. And they say vinyl records capture the sound in the grooves, which provides a richer, warmer, and more authentic listening experience than CDs, and that part of those reasons, the dynamic range is better, frequency range, compression levels are vinyl records have lower compression levels than CDs, and that type of thing. But this dingbat Asian girl is under the impression that the only advantage vinyl records have over CDs is that you get a crackle. She said, "I love that crackle of the sound." Now, I'm not saying you can't enjoy the crackle, but I'm saying she thinks that's the only advantage of vinyl is that crackle. So that's what I'm saying, and I wanted to point that out. But she's a technical, well, a lot of women are, not all of them, but she is definitely a technical dingbat.